Hey friends, this is Vaylor's channel. Today I'll show you how to how to recover deleted messages in Telegram. To do this, open Telegram, tap on settings, and here we have data and storage. Here I recommend you turn everything on. Yeah. Well, I hope you already had it enabled. If not, that's bad because you won't be able to recover everything, but anyway. Next, go to storage usage and here check what time period you have set for auto deleting media cache. So for me, private chats are set to never. That means there's a chance for recovery. Next, you need to make sure that in iCloud that you have Telegram sync enabled here. Just search for it here. As you can see, mine is enabled. So the next thing you need to do is delete Telegram and just download it again, and then it'll pull your backup from iCloud with all your chats. Basically, just reinstall the app. This was Valor. Hit like, subscribe to the channel. See you everyone.